Bonding heavy materials to vertical surfaces is a real challenge. To meet that challenge, you need a durable adhesive with grabbing power you can trust. Titebond's Ultimate TiteGrab Adhesive is an advanced polymer formula specifically designed to decrease your installation time on vertical applications. With twice the initial vertical bond strength of most other similar adhesives, TiteGrab is ideal for bonding heavy materials to vertical surfaces. You can safely build a feature wall, install crown molding, hang wood paneling, apply heavy tiles to vertical surfaces, and a whole lot more. Each tube of TiteGrab comes with its own pre-cut nozzle that takes the guesswork out of bead diameter for consistent and controlled application. TiteGrab holds heavy objects quickly and easily. Just press the work into place and you're done. Ideal for indoor and outdoor applications, TiteGrab doesn't shrink, doesn't dry brittle, and is a low odor formula that's 100% waterproof. TiteGrab is uniquely designed for bonding a wide variety of building materials, including wood, stone, brick, concrete, metal, and glass. TiteGrab, the game-changing adhesive that lets you bond heavy materials to vertical surfaces with confidence. Visit Titebond.com for more details.